Well, it's my neighbor. He keeps complaining about my music. He says I play too loud, and he comes around nearly every day to tell me to turn it down.
You're joking.
I'm afraid not.
Oh, how loud do you play your music?
Not that loud. I'll show you. You can't be serious. Here we go again.